Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your JetBlue account. So for those people who do not know what JetBlue is, JetBlue Airway is a major American low-cost airline and the 7th largest airline in North America by passenger carried. JetBlue Airway is headquartered in the Long Island City neighborhood of the New York City Board of Queens. It also maintains corporate office in Utah and Florida. Alright, so that's basically what JetBlue is in short form. Now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into its account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for jetblue.com like this. So this is the official website of JetBlue. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to the official website of JetBlue. Over here, you can see the true blue icon over here. You can click on it. And if you already have an account, you want to click on sign in. And if you don't have an account, you want to click on join today. So since I already have an account, I'm going to click on sign in. But if you want to create an account, you have to click on join today. All right, so you have to keep that in mind. So I'm going to the login page of JetBlue. Now once you're over here in the login page of JetBlue, you want to enter your email over here. So whichever email you used when you created a JetBlue account, you want to enter that over here. After you do that, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account over here, click on sign in. And if the email and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your JetBlue account. And if you for some reason forgot the password of your account, you can click on reset password to reset your password and change it into the newer one which you want, alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your JetBlue account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye, until then, stay safe, peace out. Thanks for watching our video until the end. It's me, Richie Kevin. Bye bye.